this video is clickbait, huh? You're probably just gonna dislike the video and say, oh my gosh, this guy sucks. Nobody cares about him. Oh well, guess what? This is not clickbait. Wait, no, this is not clickbait, seriously. No, I'm not just gonna say Camden Bell's trick, which is actually states, take all your pets out, and then just put yourself in, and you go to battle, you catch higher level pets. No, I'm not gonna say that. It actually does work, see? Bro. Just take all your pets out and put yourself in. But what about higher level pets? Bro, clickbait! No, I'm not clickbait. There actually is a way. It's a secret, as he said, Camden Bell said in this video. And you better watch to find out the truth of your life or you will regret it. So you basically could be like level 50 and you could have a level 70 pet. You're lying. You're lying! No, I'm not lying, or you'll regret it. Deal with it. This video is true, not false. And watch to find out now. Catch 'em all. Oh, huh? You don't believe me? Oh, why don't you just watch to find out and stop just skipping to the intro? Alright, so, thing is you only have to be a member. I'm sorry guys, but it's just sad, you know. But you know, you always can ask your parents, like, do chores and like blah blah blah. So you have to be a member, and then you go to this place called Random Lamplight Town thingy. Well, it's called Lamplight Town, whatever. Then you go to the town square. See where I am? This is actually the main screen where you always will pop up. Then you want to go to the right over here, and to the Coliseum. You don't want to go inside. Okay, huh? Clickbait, you're taking forever. Oh no, I'm not, bro. You want to click on, see this guy named Bordy? Who's this person's like, oh my gosh, I'm so cool. I can block myself. Oh no, you have to click on the board right here. And you get this thing. And now what does this have to do with this? So as you can see, this is called a bounty board. And in the bounty board, you do missions assigned by this dude named Bordy over there. And what you have to do is you have to do a specific mission based on the pet's names. So let's look at this one. It says defeat Lucas Pit, a sprite and mounted pats. So there is a special sprite in mounted pats, and it'll have a Lucas Pit, which is his name right here, hovering over it, and you have to battle that, and then you give it, and yeah. So actually, the bounty points that are worth 3 points or 5 points are the member ones. And the thing is, for the member ones, so let's say you're already using this trick. So right now, if I just went to battle right now, I'm currently level 100. Let's just pretend I'm level 50, okay? Level 50. So I use the trick and I'm level 50, bro. Okay, so the bounties, if it's 3 or 5 points, it actually adds a secret to the code. So if I went to do a bounty battle and I used the same trick, let's say it was worth 3 bounty points, and I went to battle and used the same trick. Well, the thing is, it goes no higher than your level. But if you use the 3 bounty points once, it will actually be level 53 or level 55. So if you get the ones that are 5 bounty points, they could be like 20 levels higher, like level 70. Bro, I'm not kidding. Oh, you want to be proof? Oh, here's proof. So I'm gonna use all my trash pets first. So let me just put these all trash pets. Sorry, deadly unicorns. Nobody cares about your life because you don't even have one. Okay, so I'm gonna get this 5 bounty point. His name is Camden the Digger. And let's see. So let me go to battle first. It's in Firefly first. So let me actually prove something. So let me actually prove they're level 1 pets. So as he said in Camden Bell said in the video, he said, if you put lower level pets, I'm currently level 100 right now. If you put lower level pets in battle, it will be lower level. And as you can see, it's lower level. So now I'm just going to go over to that 5 bounty point dude over there. Look, level 29, bro. Okay, now, let me go over to the 5 bounty point one. And I said it's going to add more numbers to the code. So 5 bounty points, I said it adds like 10 or 20 more levels. So watch me not catch this level. I see I'm doing this because I'm level 100. You can't go higher than level 100, duh. So let's watch. So that means if I put 2 level 1 pets in battle, it's going to be around level 29. It's going to be like only The max, it's around that number, but it never goes too high, or does it? Okay, so here, okay, so they're not usually pets in the crossroads. See, it's a bounty. Look at this. There's this random animal thingy over there with the name on it. So let me have proof. So remember, guys, I was just using. Remember, the reason why this actually works is because Prodigy. Oops, wrong one. But it's because Prodigy actually levels out these pets. So currently I'm level 100, and I add 1 in 1. So if the average of a level 100, a 1 and a 1, if you define the average, if you learned that in school, whatever. 103 divided by 3. What's about like 33, 34. What's 29 was closer to the number. That's why it worked. So remember, this actually works for level 50s. And that's, I'm just trying to put it into the formula. So right now I have 2 level 1s. It was 29 level last time. What level will it be? Level 5 bounty point. Let's see. Level 40. Level 82. Bro, did you, okay, it was averaged out to level 29, okay? So, basically, it just added a bunch of gajillion numbers to it. Well, obviously, it's probably going to be like around level 50 or 60 or 70 or 80. Bro, that's just awesome. This is just an amazing video. So as you can see, guys, if you get bounty points, which are 3 or 5 points, they can obviously higher the average, which is typed into the code in Prodigy. And remember, guys, I wouldn't actually catch pets like these. I'm just like trying to make the average work, like because, yeah. I don't know how to explain it. Just goodbye.